This is an additional charge, $3.50. There's gonna be a lot of darkness here. Whoop. Do we pick which way we want to go? I just see an arrow. I don't know if there's walls anywhere. Okay.
God, it's dark.
It's quiet. I love this.
I hate this.
I love this.
Help me! Help me! The shackles! Break the shackles! Get me down! Oh, I'm running here because I refuse to help the doctor with his evil experiments. It would take my life. Where are you going? Boy! I know who you are! Get! Well, now, you don't really believe by our world-renowned
I thought that was someone else. Alright, gotta go upstairs. Very skinny stairs. Very steep stairs.
Okay.
This way through castle. Oh my gosh, dude, it is dark. I can't explain. Oh my gosh.
Shut up, Mookie!
Oh my gosh. Whoa, dude, this is messing with me. It's crooked. We're like falling. You can't tell on camera, but we're like, keep going. If you could tell, we're at an angle. Stand straight. Like, yeah, I don't think you could tell. It is crooked. This is steps or no? No, it's a ramp. Okay. It's a ramp down. It scared me.
Oh, God.
Does it move? No? Okay. Wait. How do I... This way... Pull handle. Oh, here? There it is. I can see that. Okay, now it's dark.
Okay. Where we go?
Whoa. No? Right here? Do I push here? Wait, hey! What the heck?
You won't escape anyway.
Okay. That's emergency. That's for chickens. Oh, right here? Right here. Wait, hold on. It's way dark. Hey. Wait, there's no way out of here. Hold on, no. Go the other way. What the heck? I don't know. Yeah, that was where that was, but then it led us out to here. This is where it was. Right? Is there a door here? Man! There's a door right here. I didn't know.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh, door.
This is way more intense than I thought it was gonna be.
This is scary.
Oh, there's a wall right here. Jeez. Okay, okay. Now it's foggy. Am I going left or right? Okay, there's a wall to my right. Yep, left. Is the... I thought the... I can't... I know this is probably annoying. I can't see anything. Oh my gosh. I want to come back through again. I stuttered, I know.
Nighttime.
Nighttime.
No, nighttime.
Nighttime. Push.
Why are we still going?
I know, this is crazy.
Where are you going?
Now it's just dark. Again, I know. Whoa.
Oh.
The-
Ramp?
Oh my god, there's a ramp. Watch it.
They should make the... I'm glad that they made the ramp.
This thing just doesn't stop. Whoa, okay. Stop, don't look down. Don't look down. Alright. Whoa, okay, watch your step. There's a ramp right there. Put my... Dude.
You can't do
Oh my gosh.
that. Can you read a little bit of my injury?
I can't see. Okay, arrow right here in front of my... Dude. But this makes it so much better. That we can't see anything.
I'm tripping now.
I know.
We're still going.
Dude, it keeps going. Hey. Ah!
Make some blue out. Wait, is that the outside?
I'm not sure. Is there something above us? Whoop, oh, that was just my shadow. Woo, that scared me.
Okay.
Dude, I don't... I could turn on the light. Wait, okay, that's a mirror. Oh my gosh, that scared me.
Please stop. Please.
Do you want to see the light? What if there's something you don't want to see? Flashing light warning, flashing light warning. There's a step, watch it as you come up. Ah! Oh my gosh, this thing is crazy. Oh jeez. We just keep going.
Can you stop?
Oh yeah, steps down, going down. Watch it, there's a dilly here. She might go. "Whoa." Okay, no she's not. Okay. I see light,
Just a little bit of light.
but I don't think we're done.
Yeah.
Because I think we still have to go back down.
That's okay. Just a little bit of outside.
Remember crew, when these adventures are long like this, it's because there's just a lot to show. Yeah, we're outside now. All right. Well, we're only halfway done. Now your eyes get all lighted up. I think this floor is supposed to move. Good thing it's not. Now I'm just getting blinded. Push? Okay, push. Whoa. Okay, hold on. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
No.
Okay, we have to step on this, okay? Ready? Together. We have to step on it together. Ready? Ready? Together. One. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Scared you?
Yeah.
It's that thing goes down.
I would step and then I would fall.
Ah. Okay, steps down. Yeah. You can hear the music. Push. Oh, we're down here now. Whoa. This is too crazy. Like, whoa! A bridge. Jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. Oh, don't copyright me? I don't know if that's a... Oh, we exit right here now? Did we do it? There it is, the exit. That was insane.